In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Twitter business account in just 5 minutes. Turning your Twitter account into a business profile is a simple process that can enhance your presence and provide access to valuable tools. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Twitter account. Open up your browser and head over to Twitter's website, sometimes referred to as X, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your familiar home timeline. Next, locate your profile icon, usually at the top left of the screen, and click on it. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you'll see your tweets, bio, and all the magic that makes up your Twitter presence. A tip here: ensure that you're using the account you wish to convert to a business account. Now, look for the Edit Profile button and give it a click. This is where you'll manage the features of your account. Scanning through the settings, the option you're looking for to transition your account is the Switch to Professional feature. Once you find it, click on it. This step is crucial because it signifies the transformation from a standard user account to one that's optimized for business. Upon clicking Switch to Professional, you'll be prompted with a few terms and conditions. It's important to read through these carefully to understand what you're agreeing to. Once you're satisfied, click on Agree and Continue. This seals your intent to convert your account and moves you to the next vital step. Next, you'll be asked to select a category that best describes your business. This is an important decision, as it helps in tailoring the experience Twitter curates for you. Scroll through the various categories available until you find one that aligns with your business identity. After selecting the best category, click on Next to continue. Finally, now that you've chosen a category, Twitter will ask you to define the type of professional account you want. You'll be presented with options like Creator or Business. Since we're setting up a business account, select Business and then click Next once more. And there you have it. Your Twitter profile is now a business account. This transformation not only gives your account a professional edge, but it also opens the door to tools and analytics designed to help grow and engage your audience more effectively. Always remember, as you navigate through your business profile, keep your content aligned with your business goals and continue engaging actively with your followers to make the most out of your Twitter presence. Thank you for watching, and happy tweeting!